Are you looking for a simple, natural way to supercharge your tomato plants? You might be throwing away the secret ingredient every single day. We all know bananas are delicious, but their peels are a goldmine for your garden. Specifically, they are packed with potassium, a nutrient that tomato plants absolutely love.
Potassium and magnesium from banana peels help build incredibly strong root systems. This leads to healthier plants and, most importantly, bigger, more delicious tomatoes. Plus, you can skip those expensive, chemical-laden fertilizers. It's easy to make. The first step in creating banana peel water fertilizer is to steep the prepared banana peels in water. Fill a large container or bucket with 1 to 2 cups of water for every 1 cup of banana peels. And add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and mix well. One of the key advantages of using brown sugar as a fertilizer is its ability to provide a slow release of nutrients. This slow release ensures that plants receive a steady supply of essential elements over time. Let the mixture steep for a few days, allowing the peels to release their nutrients and flavor into the water. After the steeping process, strain the liquid through a cheesecloth or a fine mesh sieve to remove the solids and achieve a clear, nutrient-rich liquid.
Once you've strained the banana peel infusion, it's essential to dilute it with water before applying it to your plants. A general ratio is to mix 1 part banana peel water fertilizer with 10 parts water. This will help prevent burning your plant's roots and ensure a balanced nutrient uptake. You can apply the diluted fertilizer as a foliar spray, soil drench, or add it to your watering can for a nutrient-rich drink. For maximum results during the peak fruiting season, you can repeat this treatment every 2 to 3 weeks.
Have you ever used banana peels in your garden? Did you see good results? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.